Relax and enjoy the breeze with Inventor's portable air conditioner. Rated A energy class, and in combination with using the new environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant gas, the Chilli offers optimum efficiency alongside low energy consumption. It's easily portable and it's discreet in size, giving you great flexibility around the home. Like all portable air conditioners, Chilli does require a window or a vent to the outside, and supplied with the air conditioner you do have the easy to install window kit, suitable for all sliders and also double hung windows. So you simply adjust that window slider, you put that hose into place and you're able to enjoy cold, fast, pleasant air. Reaching just 50 decibels, Chilli does provide you with the ideal room conditions with low noise levels and maximum comfort. Enjoy perfect air whilst you're sleeping or resting by selecting the sleep mode. Now this feature is going to allow you to set a time for Chilli to automatically adjust to pleasant sleeping conditions, which will then allow you to just focus on relaxing. Now to add to the simplicity and also the luxury, you do have the remote control. Now this will allow you to cycle between modes to select the timer or that sleep mode, or just to adjust the fan speed. Now it's very simple to use even in the darkest room thanks to the clear LED screen, meaning that you don't have to get up to switch on the light to get a better view. All Inventor air conditioners do come with a 2-year warranty, but the high quality production does ensure impeccable performance and long-term operation even in the most demanding conditions. Chilli is the hottest trend in cooling innovation, providing ideal conditions for you and your family.